Then next naman natin, from slope-intercept form naman, ita-transform naman natin into standard form. Okay? So, meron din tayong 3 examples dito. So, for example, number 1, y is equal to 5x minus 2. So, transform natin siya into standard form. So, dito naman, yung gagawin naman natin, i-isolate naman natin si c, yung constant, dito sa may right side ng equation natin. So, pag sinabi natin constant, yung number lang, yung walang katabing x and y. Okay, so si negative 2. So, dapat negative 2 lang yung matira dito sa right side ng equation natin. So, lipat natin lahat ng mga terms dito sa may left maliban sa constant, sa negative 2. So, y, ilipat natin itong 5x sa kabila, magiging negative 5x. Then, matitira, negative 2. Okay? Then, rearrange lang natin. Negative 5x plus y is equal to negative 2. Okay? So, ito na yung ating standard form of linear equation. Okay? Then, for number 2, so y is equal to negative 3/4 x plus 1. Again, dapat yung constant lang yung matira dito sa may right. Okay? So, ilipat ulit natin si itong si x. Si negative 3/4 x, magiging positive siya. Okay? Is equal to 1. And then, eliminate natin tong denominator na 4, no? So, mag-multiply lang tayo ng 4. Multiply din tayo sa kabila. Okay? So, 4 times y, that is 4y, plus 4 times 3/4 x. So, makakancel yung 4. So, 3 na lang matitira. 3x. 4 times 1, that is 4. Then, rearrange lang natin. 3x plus 4y is equal to 4. Okay? So, naka-standard form na siya. Okay? Then, for the last example, y plus 8 is equal to 3/4 times the quantity x plus 4. So, first, simplify muna natin to. So, y plus 8 is equal to 3/4 x plus 3/4 times 4, 3 na lang. Okay. And then, lipat natin tong constant sa kabila kasi yung constant natin dapat nasa right sila. So, lipat natin, magiging negative siya. And then, itong 3/4 x, lipat natin dito, magiging negative 10. Then, ito, dito lang siya. Okay? Okay, yung 8, nilipat natin, naging negative. Yung 3/4, nilipat natin, naging negative din. Then, simplify natin yan. Y minus 3/4 x is equal to negative 8 plus 3, that is negative 5. And then, multiply ulit tayo ng 4 para ma-eliminate natin itong denominator. So, 4 times y, that is 4y. 4 times negative 3/4 x, magiging 3x na lang. Then, negative 5 times 4, negative 20. Then, rearrange lang natin. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? So, naka-standard form na siya. So, comment below guys kung nakatulong yung video nito. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video.